Secret WhatsApp status trick. I bet you don't know about this. Many times it happens with us that we see any reel or shorts or anything on Instagram or Facebook, and we want to just share this on our WhatsApp. We click on WhatsApp and we share them, but it shows like a link on status. So if you want to just directly share this video without downloading in your mobile phone, what you can do, just now new option is there, click on this one, click on status, and after that it will start loading, and click on status, and voila, the video has been downloaded automatically and just shared. Woo! Same way is on Facebook, click on that and click on status. That's way you can easily share your status as a video, directly as a video, as you can check out. But it just shows view on Instagram, but it shares the video exactly without link. So that's way you can share a good status. Like, share, subscribe.